in a mash. Wrist on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I was just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I was just stunting on my ex bitch. I was just flexing on my ex bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that bitch, hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a roll up, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground, roll up.
21, flexing on that bitch, hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21, go get the stick, hold up.
Hold up, bitch, I like the ball, hold up, without no weave, you ball, hold up, bitch, I spit your rent inside the mall, hold up, she got a nigga, but he broke, she lost,
hold up, at this private location, hold up, put her back in rotation, hold up, bitches on me, immigration, hold up, going through the translations.
I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I was just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I was just stunting on my ex bitch. I was just flexing on my ex bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Hold up, bitch, my Rolex on fleek, hold up, bitch, my diamonds on fleek, hold up, I got gold on my teeth, hold up, you got rainbow on your feet, bitch.
Hold up, corny niggas don't impress me, hold up, never let a bitch dress me, hold up, ain't no motherfucking judge check me, hold up, I don't give a fuck about no ring,
hold up, money make my old bitches hate, hold up, bitch, you still stay on section 8, hold up, my new bitch wetter than a lake, hold up, and she love to let me paint her face,
hold up, fell in love with some good, hold up, fell in love with some good, hold up, real them confidential papers up, hold up, you done made me wait.
What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Frenchyy, of course. I am here today with another video. We are getting ready to go to dinner, you guys. Yes, ma'am. Your girl is excited and hungry. As you guys already saw, I did my makeup, did a little light beat. Your girl does not like to do the most. Yes, I don't. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to head out, you guys. I'm going to a steakhouse in Orlando. You guys are about to come along with me, so let's go. But before we leave, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Come along on this journey because I want you guys to join me. I'm not even about to keep doing all this talking with y'all. You already know the drill, so let's get ready to go. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry if it is loud. We just got here to Orlando. We're at Disney Springs. There's a steakhouse here, I believe, but you guys, I don't remember the name. Yeah, we're about to head inside. I'm hungry, I'm starving, so let's go.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't go right in my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. And you was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I bet you more. I feel like I bet you more. Let's get low, get on me high. I feel like I bet you more. I feel like I bet you more. Let's party on. long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much. Let's get money on, yeah, I need all
Okay, my loves, so I am back home, you guys. It is 11:20 at night, and I'm not even mad about that because your girl does not hang out, okay? The bed be calling me and I gotta answer. As you saw, I ate at a place called STK Steakhouse in Orlando. It's actually at Disney Springs, and it was so nice out there. You guys, it was cold. It was cold. It's literally in the 30s right now, so I'm glad I bundled up. But all in all, I had a great time, you guys. If you're ever in the Orlando area, definitely hit up STK Steakhouse. The vibe there is just so nice, and they do have a dress code. I would just say if you're gonna go there, definitely dress up a little bit. You know, you don't want to go in there too casual because that is not the vibes there. The drinks were actually very good. At the end, we had 2 shots. We tried the strawberry lemon drop shot, and then we just had like a shot of I think Patron. I'm a lightweight, y'all. Like I said, I don't do all that drinking. The steaks were absolutely delicious, and then we got a side of this bacon baked macaroni and cheese. Just go there and find out for yourself. You definitely won't be disappointed. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to take off the face, shower, get into my comfy PJs, and get ready for bed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I also have a lot of content coming out, and I am excited. I love you all so much, and I appreciate you for watching. Until next time, bye babes.